This is an unboxing and assembly, kind of a review of a hanging chair from Amazon. I will have more details in the description below. So what we get here is alright, so it looks like there are sections. One, two, looks like part of the bottom, three, four. Looks like some kind of plastic wrapped around, more plastic, not plastic. And then we have cushions for the chair. They're kind of nice. Plastic says, don't let your babies play in it. And the cushions have a zipper for removing the inside so you can wash it. That's nice. And this is not to be removed except by a consumer, I think. Comes off pretty nice. And another cushion. Again, the cushion unzips and you can remove it, which is nice. And what else is left? We have a card which says, look for the following places for the hardware packs and legs: under the seat, behind the product, behind the zipper, or in the Velcro pouch. Okay, well, that's it for this. Huh. Now you can see this here, but it says, this red string is attached to a bag which contains all your parts. That's kind of handy. So, take out all my parts. Alright, so we get a bag of parts, kind of vacuum sealed, and an instruction book. And there you have it. So now we have to put it together, which means I'm going to need glasses. To open up this vacuum package. Oh, that's not too good. Gosh. They sent a Allen wrench and another big trusty wrench. Okay, overview. We got a top, a back cushion. Step one. We've got to identify these parts and start bolting them together. Alright, so we need to find these two halves, and I believe those are these. And we need to remove this stuff from it. Okay, now we're going to bolt these two together. So they go opposite each other like that. a bolt, a washer, so I think it matters which direction. So a bolt, washer. These are nylock nuts. So it's going to be there's a resistance the entire time. You tighten up a nylock nut. Okay, come down. What do you do? Right here. And you have one more plumb. Watch nut. Okay, I can continue using their little wrench and Allen, but I've got other tools, so I'm going to use them. Speed up this operation. They give you these little caps that go over the end of the nut. Keep you from hurting yourself. They don't quite fit as far as you want. Okay, so we got those two halves together. Now we go to the next section, which is putting the step 3, aligning back lever with the seat. So we put the seat on, C and B. I don't know how to tell which is C and B, which is the seat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. They almost look the same. So, oh, this goes. Yep. That's got to be the seat. So you flip it over. Yep. That's going to go on like that. Yeah. So let's take off this packaging again. Now, go on there. And I'm going to put, they show the bolts going this way, but I'm going to put them this way because I don't want any chance of it getting stuck by the end of the bolt. So this is here. We go. Oh, it's made in China. Oh, made in the United States. Made in China. This is. We're going to have to stretch it a little bit to get it in place. Yeah, there we go. Right, so now we're going to. Now to use in fact, drill something, put these together. You gotta be careful because you can easily crush this middle tube that's in here. You can see it collapsing. Fill it. Oh, now we're forgetting these. Okay, I lowered the chair and it made it go from like an F to a C. This is much more comfortable than hanging up in the air. And it's more like a rocker now. It still doesn't allow you to lean back far enough. The curve of it reminds me of airline seats. you sit there all hunched over. You can't sit in a proper upright seating position. I guess it's got the American slouch. I guess the Chinese figure all Americans are slouched over. But being able to put your feet on the ground and you can swing a little bit. I'd still like to have my feet up to where I could actually have it like a swing chair, like a recliner. And I might be able to do something, hooking something up there and coming down and using that foot thing from the old chair. Might be able to do something like that. But anyway, it's awful expensive. Like I said, I think it's around $200. Right? With tax, I think it's $217 on Amazon. So overall, yeah, I'll give it a C for now. Shouldn't have to modify it more. Maybe I'm expecting it to do something that it isn't meant to do. But for my use, I'm not overly thrilled, although getting it low now makes it much more usable. Okay, I've done a little addition. I've tied the footrest up high, but it's tied to a different location. It's about a foot forward of where the chair is hanging from. And I'll show you what this allows now. If I can get it in frame. A lot of people have complained, some people have complained about the waterfall making noise and ruining the audio. I prefer the waterfall to some horrible techno music that people put in their videos. They think they gotta have music to be edgy or whatever. I guess I'm old school. I prefer the nice, quiet running of a waterfall. Okay, so now we got this. And what happens, because the footrest is connected different than the chair, to rock I just push down on my heels right now on the backstroke and it pulls me forward. So I can get going here until my back hits the wall really quick with just a little bit of no effort with my hands. And then if I move this cushion way down to my lower back, it allows me to lean back a little better and get rid of my hat so my head can go back a little. That's a lot better. I've done one more small modification. I took the beverage container from the other chair and I hung it here. So now maybe we're up to a B as far as comfort of this chair.